Augmented reality versus virtual reality in manufacturing. Augmented reality and virtual reality represent distinct technological advancements in manufacturing. They offer various capabilities that serve specific applications within your operations. AR technology projects computer-generated data, images, and instructions onto real-world surroundings. It enhances a user's environment by allowing them to interact with virtual elements while maintaining awareness of the physical space. VR technology creates a fully immersive, computer-generated simulation. It replaces the user's visual field entirely, which generates a sense of complete presence within a digital environment via specialized headsets. The differences between the two are that AR integrates with the physical world, while VR creates an entirely artificial environment. Regarding application, AR provides immediate contextual information for tasks such as maintenance. VR enables risk-free immersive training and virtual prototyping. AR and VR enhance efficiency, yet equipment reliability remains crucial. For expert repair of your critical industrial machinery, request a quote.